This docking station just replaced my entire setup? Dell WD19S plus ZoomSpeed Kit review. Feeling stuck with spaghetti cables, glitchy gear, and USB drama? You're not alone. If you've ever fumbled mid-Zoom call because your dock ghosted your display, or had to crawl under your desk for the 10th time this week to reconnect that one cursed port, yeah, we see you. Tech burnout is real when your workspace looks like a scrapyard and your tools work against you. The Dell WD19S Docking Station with ZoomSpeed Kit was built for people like you, those who demand order, speed, and sanity in a world full of slow-charging chaos and uncooperative connections. If you're stuck in dock limbo, this might just be your rescue raft. It's not just annoying anymore, it's sabotage. Deadlines are breathing down your neck, your tabs are frozen, and the quick charge station you trusted is now your number one nemesis. Every second lost reconnecting gear is costing you money, brain cells, and your last sliver of patience. And let's not even start on the stress of switching laptops or juggling multiple devices. You're not lazy, you're being sabotaged by tools that were never built to keep up. The grind doesn't stop, and your gear shouldn't either. It's time to stop suffering through MEP performance and start dominating your day like a digital boss. Meet your productivity power move, the Dell WD19S Dock plus ZoomSpeed Essentials Kit. This ain't just another glorified hub, it's the modular USB-C beast designed to future-proof your desk. Charge 80% in an hour? Done. Connect 8 ports with blazing 10 gigabits per second speeds? Check. Universal compatibility with Dell, HP, Lenovo? Triple check. Oh, and you get a compact ZoomSpeed kit to keep your workspace sleek, fast, and flex-worthy. Say goodbye to lag, spaghetti wires, and dock envy. This bad boy doesn't just sit on your desk, it runs your entire setup like a power-hungry superhero. Plug in once and prepare to dominate. Get clean, connected, and absolutely unstoppable. Imagine razor-sharp focus, workflows that actually flow, and zero stress switching between work modes. Whether you're a hybrid hustler, digital creative, or spreadsheet samurai, the WD19S with 130-watt power adapter plus ZoomSpeed Kit turns chaos into calm. Forget compatibility drama, this dock plays nice with everyone and runs cooler than your last 3 gadgets combined. Hit the link and see why thousands are ditching their old docks for this game changer. No more bottlenecks, just pure uninterrupted flow. This setup's selling like Air Jordans on launch day, don't sleep on it. Seriously, why suffer one more day with tech that slows you down? Join the ranks of thousands already powering up with Dell's most efficient dock yet. Supplies are flying, and once they're gone, you're back in cable limbo. If your setup needs a glow-up, now's the time. Hit that link, grab yours today, and feel what it's like to run your workspace, not be run by it. Time to plug in, power up, and never look back. You in?